Hey everybody, Paxton Thompson with Douglas Lane Real Estate Group and Bell Tower on the River. I wanted to give you an update of the progress we're making in the neighborhood. You can see I'm standing at the entrance. You can see the bell tower over my shoulder. They're planting trees this week. They're putting in some landscaping. They're pouring sidewalks. A lot of progress is being made. And I wanted to go down and do a walk through one of our first homes is going to be finished. On the way to our first home, you can see the columns they've built to go to our Riverside Park connection. The sidewalk's already in. We're waiting to do the stacked stone on those. Across the street from that is our mail kiosk center. It's almost complete. The roof's up, the mailboxes are in. We're still waiting to do the stacked stone on it, finish the landscaping. And let's keep on going to our first home. All right, we've made it to our first home. This is 744 Campana Drive. This is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, a little over 3,600 square feet. Let's walk in here and take a look. Check out this beautiful stained tongue and groove ceiling. All right, the hardwood floors are already in. They're still waiting to be finished. There's our dining room. Lots of natural light. Right over there is the entrance to the wet bar and the pantry. Leads you to the kitchen. Heavy trim in this home. Here's our front sitting room. Heavy trim in there. All right, so we're going to guest bedroom number 1. This overlooks the pond, great view. All hardwood floors in here. Great looking gray tile in the bathroom. Cabinets already installed in there. Waiting on the countertops. Good size hall closet. All right, so open floor plan here. We have our kitchen. The cabinet's already in. We are waiting on countertops and appliances. After the floor's finished, got an eat-in area over there. I'll show you real quick. Here's our pantry and wet bar. One of the pantry. Pantry and wet bar. Great, this is a great entertaining room. So you got the living room there with a gas fireplace. Got the outdoor fireplace with the stained tongue and groove ceilings. Overlooking the pond. Just on the other side of the pond is Betty's Branch, which leads out to the river. Back here, they're going to build an outdoor pavilion for the neighborhood. Be back there closer to the pond and Betty's Branch. This is a very large porch. I don't think the video does it justice how large it is. All right, we come back here. So right here, you got your powder room, half bath. Cabinets already installed. Then we have our laundry room. You got a place for the wash sink's gonna go. Cabinets already installed. Washer and dryer connections over there. Go over here to the master bedroom. All hardwood floors in here, overlooking the pond. Nice size bedroom. We got our master bath. They've already got the cabinets installed. I love the tile in this bathroom. Very classy. Full tile walk-in shower. Plenty of room in here. Got a water closet. Water closet. And a very large master closet. So you got your mud room, place to sit down, take your shoes off, place to hang your coats. Then you have a nice side entry 2-car garage. Heavy trim going upstairs. All hardwood floors upstairs. Tile bathrooms. Attic storage that's floored. We have guest bedroom number 2. Hardwood floors in here. This has a great view of the pond. Then you have the hall bathroom, which is a full bath. All the cabinets are installed. Beautiful stone tile. Then we have the bonus media room, family room upstairs. Could be a man cave. Lots of natural light. We have guest bedroom number 3. Lots of natural light here in this room. And it has its own bathroom. Tile floor, cabinets are in. Tile tub and shower. Hey, if you'd like more information on 744 Campana Drive or to schedule a showing, you can reach us at 706-831-0771. Or if you'd like more information on the neighborhood, you can find us at belltowerontheriver.com.